We are going to take a look at a Sicotte J-3-H-7 6-spindle vertical boring machine. Remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This clean Sicotte 6-spindle boring machine offers a lot of flexibility. The 6 spindle heads have a massive 8-inch stroke and can be placed just about anywhere on the table and even wrap around one another with their unique design. Plus, you get 3 Forest City Tooling multi-spindle aggregate heads. Each spindle head is powered by its own 2 horsepower 234 60-volt 3-phase motor. Every outer spindle has new bearings and new belts. You can also choose between automatic and continuous modes. Up top, you have all of your start-stop stations. Your far left is for your hydraulic pump, whereas the rest are for your spindle heads. You can choose them individually which ones you want to run. If you flip this into manual mode, it's going to allow you to manually raise and lower your table. That's mostly going to be used for setup mode. So switching this into auto is going to put this section into play. You have continuous, so if you hit the foot pedal or this start button, and again the start button and the foot pedal do the same thing, it's going to continuously cycle just over and over and over, and you can control that speed. Putting it into single is going to allow you to, every time you hit the start button or every time you hit the foot pedal, it's going to cycle the machine once. Your feet speed can be adjusted right here. To the right is your stroke adjustment. It's easily adjustable. And remember, if you were using, say, 4-inch tooling, you would have up to a 4-inch depth of bore with that 4-inch tooling on that 8-inch stroke. The Forest City Tooling aggregate heads are a direct replacement for the current heads on the machine. They share the exact same mount, 1 bolt and a flip of the belt. We'll easily swap them out.